'tis the season to spoil and make your dog even more spoiled brat. There you go. Anyway, smart dog toy from Amazon. Interactive dog toys, some GeoCivic. I don't know what that means. Interactive dog toys with Wicked Ball for daily training. Then pop it open. Has rope action. Similar to the. It should be similar to the chicken I just opened up. Has the same charger. Extra rope, perhaps. Smart dog toy. The chicken didn't have. It just had a plain box. It didn't have a brown box. But anyway, this is for thick carpet, DIY accessories. Tip: use a rope with stronger harness. And there's a little picture with lock. Tips: note, suitable for large dogs with strong bite force. Notice: before playing with your pet, please check if the toy is in good condition to avoid injury. Notice: pets need to be supervised by their owners during play to prevent them from being harmed due to excessive behavior. Support DIY accessories. Use a rope with a stronger hardness. Accessories are consumable. For more accessories, please call. Well, yeah, I mean, if your dog's gonna chew and eat the rope. I mean, depends on your dog. All dogs are not created equal. They are, but they're not. You know what I mean? They have their own separate personalities. Different people, different dogs. Innovative design, intelligent induction startup. Support multiple scenarios, multiple working modes. Support DIY accessories. Alright, so sorry about that. So we'll see. Have to charge it up, but what the heck? Let's pop open. Is there a button? Tell me it isn't. Smart dog toy. They said it shakes. So, I mean, it comes with a charger, so I'm guessing you have to shake. It doesn't say anything about it shakes, but okay. I don't know. Do you twist it? Hold on. Let me put this thing down real quick. It does not do anything. What the heck? No button. I'm confused. I'm a little confused right now because this spins around. It looks like it should play. But how does it? There's the on button, on switch. Where is the on switch? And where do you charge it, dude? This definitely has to come off or something. I'll figure it out. Alright, that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. Subscribe. See you. Bye.